Thank you so much, eh?
Hey, no problem, eh?
Oh, no problem, eh, there,
hey,
buddy.
No problem, eh? Hey, happy Tim Hortons to you, eh? Cheers.
Cheers, buddy, eh?
We'll drink to that.
Right on.
Right on, y'all.
Prepping us up, getting us ready. We got our stickman Lamar here.
Hola.
You already got your height set?
Height set.
Are we almost at the height there?
Not even close, bro.
How do you know?
Let me take a little sample. Look, if you see the height here,
and then the laser's all the way down there.
that's the height.
Oh shit. There goes your stick. We got Andrew in the excavator. And then we got Manny across the road over there, far off in the distance. And then we got Jason driving that old Butte right there. Andrew cutting out his nice edges.
Alright, so we're out here today. We're gonna dig some basements. What we're doing is actually digging a whole town block. So it's gonna be the same unit as this. This is 8-unit town block home. And this is gonna be the same. So we're just starting here. And it's gonna go all the way roughly up until that pile of fill down there. So it's gonna be 8 units in here. Trying to back in the truck. It's a little greasy this morning. We got some rain. A lot of fill to take away. We're not even at the bottom of our cut yet. We're already down about 5-6 feet. Already starting to spin. Well, let's get to it, see what happens.
You had to step it down? Oh, what? You're going up. Yeah, but what is that supposed to be the ground?
And he's stuck. As you can tell, we got a bit of a hole way over there. So what happened is this block originally was supposed to be 8 units. It is supposed to be 8 units, but these first 4 were supposed to be in elevation, and then we were supposed to step it up 30 centimeters or about a foot, however you want to say it. So we were supposed to step it up for the next 4 units, but they've made a change because the ground's not good. So we did set our grade there at what it was supposed to be according to the surveyor, but due to bad ground, we're going to raise the whole thing up and make the entire 8 units one level. So you can see that little hole, and this is our new grade now where I'm cutting, and the ground is a lot better. You can almost touch by looking at it. And he made it. gonna break that stick in half?
Is that because you want me to be comfortable or is that for your video?
Honestly, just for you to be comfortable. Because I think of you. We're picking up here where we left off yesterday evening on this townhouse block basement. We had a lot of messing around to do yesterday and the hard part along the house there, getting the grades set. And we had some issues with the plans being wrong, as I explained, digging over there. So we had to readjust the grades, come up a foot, kind of got the perimeter dug out. Now it's just kind of steady digging here. So only slowdown is I only got the one truck again. So he's not going very far. He's probably doing a round trip in under 10 minutes. He's just going from here around to over there where that backhoe's kind of coming from, just over to that field. Originally, this entire development that I'm working on was basically swampland. So they had to mix all the dirt around, take it all up, and bring in a bunch of engineered fill so that it would be able to build on. So that's why the dirt is very different here. You can see the layers. Like, it's weird how it transitions from like this ridiculous clay, all different color type material, and then underneath you got like this beautiful looking sand that looks like really nice stuff to work with. The worst is when this layer is at the bottom where your underside of footing is, and you're kind of in between the sand layer and this layer. It's happened to me several times, and you're trying to do like a nice cut, and you're basically out where it separates, and next thing you know, you're ripping out chunks of this, and you're up and down, and it makes for a very hard time to get a nice level finish. Slop. We're loading out of here now. I've been trying to cast a lot of it over, but it's just way too much. It's easier to load some out. Buy some time. As you'll notice, there's a forklift down in the basement. Framer came and asked me if I can cut him a little ramp into the basement because he totally forgot to get that wall up in time before I started digging. So I guess he just realized today, day 2, halfway through. So I cut him a little ramp over there so he can go down and drive into there. Luckily the ground's obviously very nice and firm, so it's nice good ground, so which is obviously a good thing when you're digging a basement. That's what you want. But yeah, just give him a little window of opportunity to go in, do what he has to do, and thought I'd come over here and deal with some of this in the meantime. Give her some of this slop. Alright, probably shouldn't put much more than that. It's gonna be a very heavy, wet, sloppy load. What can I do here? you go with that empty load?
You need my one Bobcat bucket worth?
Yeah, if that even. This guy takes off like he's on a mission to go dump a fucking little Bobcat bucket in
Like,
there.
they're gonna be back before this ramp's done, bro.
I was gonna call you, I'm like, fuck, it's not even worth it. Just let him go dump that load.
I was probably getting worried, man. I've been back in a while.
Did you watch you dump that load?
No.
No?
Because I dumped it on the other side because I thought it was shit. I didn't realize you actually took out all of it.
Yeah, like I'm sliding out and then I pushed the rest of it out.
Oh.
Let's see if this time it works any better. It's a little greasy. Oh shoot. Trying to get rid of some of this grease. It's not working too well. So much muck. Too much mud. Alright, I think it's firm enough ground underneath there. Should work. Now that's what I call good guy right there. Hey! There, Lamar.
Got you a nice coffee.
Wow.
Sugar. And they even made it a large by accident.
Thank you so much, eh?
Hey, no problem, eh?
Oh, no problem, eh there, buddy.
No problem, eh? Hey, happy Tim Hortons to you, eh? Cheers.
Cheers, buddy, eh?
We'll drink to that.
Right on.
Right on, y'all. We're over yonder.
Alrighty. That's how we do. Alrighty, so we're all done. We got truck driver Jay. Just got the tracks all cleaned. Cleaning up the road. And all good to go there, Lamar?
Oh yeah. Stickman Lamar over
Hey.
there.
Got Pitman Lamar. How was that?
It's fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We had some ups and downs, but we got her done.
There's a couple ups and downs, a little hill, but you know what? At the end of the day, it's all grade.
It's on
It all
grade.
went grade.
She's on point. Let's go and scope this out. We're gonna go check out our 8-unit basement. All right, later. So here we got 8 units. I've cut in a ramp here for them to get in with the Mini X. And in case they need to dig all the trenches for the plumbing after, they usually like to do that. Yeah, so we have here 8-unit town block. The reason I came in here, the units kind of shift on an angle this way, so just to not keep shifting, I just did one general bigger cut there. But yeah, this is the whole thing. Got this cut out like a little sort of border all the way around. Do that for basically for safety. Try to keep it 4 feet or under 4 feet usually. Usually I try to keep them, this is probably 4 feet, but usually I try to keep them even lower. Like along the back and the front, it's probably about 3 all the way around. Just a little ledge, a couple feet wide so you can walk on, and also in case any clumps do come rolling down, they'll probably stop here before they roll into the basement. Yeah, just gotta go fix up these ramps. Any of these big openings, I'm gonna make 4 ramps along here, like nice flat ramps for trucks to back in, get their forms in, and then one just general ramp along the back with the dozer and the side here for these stone slingers to come in and shoot the stone along the foundation wall for the weeping pipe. So yeah, I'm gonna do all that now, and then that'll be it. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, subscribe and like, and stay tuned.